This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Chevy Cruze. First, turn on your vehicle and make sure it is safely parked. Locate the menu or config button on your audio system's dashboard. Press this button to access the main settings. Then, choose the phone options from the displayed list to begin the setup process. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth connection. From the phone menu, navigate to the Bluetooth section and select it. You will then need to choose Pair Device or Add New Device to initiate the pairing process. Your vehicle's system will now become discoverable and actively search for nearby devices. Keep your phone ready, as the next step involves your mobile device. This prepares your car for a new connection. Now, pick up your smartphone and open its main settings menu. Scroll down and find the Bluetooth option within your phone settings. Tap on this to enter the Bluetooth menu. Ensure that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to be discoverable by other devices. Your phone will soon display your vehicle's name on its list. On your phone, you should now see your vehicle's name, such as MyLink or Chevy Cruze. Tap on this name to select it and initiate the connection. Both your phone and your vehicle's display will likely ask you to confirm the pairing request. A small 4-digit or 6-digit PIN might appear for you to verify on both screens, ensuring security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.